as you know, say everybody knows, and my channels is very famous here on the YouTube channels, and everybody is praising is my channels. That's with this the help of these channels, I am saying good things, all the questions, all the related to the problems associated with the life related problems are associated problems to our lives and also our education system. So here class 10th education point in use, we are teaching the mathematics. In mathematics we are teaching so one by one, so whatever the problems it's creating in a mathematics. In mathematics quadratic equations, we are studying 3 meters. We solve that quadratic, how to solve the quadratic equations by 3 meters. First factorization methods we had already studied about factorization methods. Second substitution methods, our cross multiplications methods, and the third methods we had studied about this one methods that is known as quadratic formula methods. In a quadratic formula methods, so different types of the roots we have seen methods to determines the, if the roots is given, then it determines that what would be the another roots are unknowns, unknown quantities, whatever is available. Yes, we have to find out the unknown when the roots is given here. So three conditions involved is here say on the basis of discriminants and the nature of the nature of the say equations, quadratic equations. So nature of the quadratic equation depend upon the discriminant. If the d is less than equal to 0, or d is greater than 0, or d is less than 0, then three conditions involved here. So real and real and the equal roots are real and distinct roots, and no real roots are the imaginary roots can be found. So r means that cannot be exist. So these are the three methods through which by means of which we had study here. So let's some more example associated with it, so to solve these types of the questions is associated with the quadrilaterals, and then further we will find here. So let's say start is the questions. So here is the example. Okay, example, find the value of k for, find the value of k for the quadratic equations, quadratic equations 9x square, quadratic equations 3kx plus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has equal, sorry, has a real roots. Okay, it's a questions 9x square. Okay, 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has no, has a real roots. So let's say starts a solutions we have. So first what we have is the given quadratic equations is given quadratic equation is here 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 4 is equal to 0. So on comparing, on comparing with uh, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this let's compare a 9, b 3k, c 4. Okay, c 4. Got it? We have compared here. So now what's the next steps? We will find a discriminant here. Find d. We know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac. It is discriminants as we had already studied. So we'll substitute the value of b square. So b square is 3k square minus 4 into 4 into 9 into C is here 4. Sorry, 4 into 9 into 4. So we have got these equations. Okay, so here is discriminants. This is a 9k square minus 144. Okay, okay, 144. So here's, so we can say that these equations can be as a follow here. So discriminant we have find here 9x square minus 144. Roots are given equations are reals, since we know that roots of given equations are is real. It's a telling question. That's a given equations roots is real. So discriminant will either be d is greater or equal to 0, two conditions only. D other greater or equal to. If the d is greater to, suppose that if d is equal to 9k square, so this 9k square minus 144, okay, this will always be greater or equal to 0, greater or equal to 0. So what conditions may be possible? That if suppose that we have taken a 9k, so 9, if we have taken 9k square minus 144 16, okay, is equal to 0 or this. So k square minus 16, suppose that k square minus 16, k square minus 16 is equal to either greater or equal, okay, greater or equals to 0. But suppose that if the k square minus 4 is here, so suppose that because since 9 is not equal to 0, okay, 9 is not equal to 0. So if 9 is not equal to 0, so because it's a not equals, but this will be equals or maybe, so k square minus 16 is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 square, we can write this equations k square minus 4 square. So we will write yes, k square minus 4 square, okay. So we can write here k minus 4, k plus 4. Two conditions involved here, k minus 4, k plus 4. So k minus 4 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 4. K plus 4 is equal to 0, then k is equal to minus 1. So here two roots we have find here. Two roots. How many roots? Two roots. We find here two roots. K is equal to 4, k is equal to minus 4. Okay, so plus and minus 2 we have to find here. So because we know that k is equal to minus 4 or k is less than or k is greater than. So k we can compare, k is less than or equal to 0 or 4 minus 4. So it will always be less than 0, and k is either greater or equal to 4. So it will always be a plus 4 is k. So k either be equal or greater. So maybe, but we cannot say that. So k will be 4. So two conditions here, so answer involved here. So that's we can find here the answer. So conditions here always we had already studied about the conditions in the mathematics, especially in a quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral tell that if you discriminate, have a discriminant, and this discriminant told you tell you about so conditions, that's the nature, means that's the nature of the roots, and three conditions involved here is nature of roots. As you know, that's discriminant is equal to 0, discriminant is less than or equal to 0, or discriminant is more than or say equal to 0. So these conditions always we follow, and if we follow these conditions, we can solve these types of the questions accurately. Okay, thank you very much for coming on this channel. So don't forget to say subscribe to this channel so that you cannot miss any videos and any types of the conditions involved here. Okay, okay, thank you. Bye bye.